Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm making one now. I hope everyone's happy and healthy and, managing through these difficult times.
Yes.
So today we're going to be unboxing the May BOXYCHARM, and even though it's the middle of June, so let's see what we have inside. Okay, so this is a $25 a month subscription, American, and I like to not look, so that is what is inside our May box. And the theme is Mother Nature. Oh, that's very pretty. Don't tell me what's inside though, Jason.
Yes.
Oh, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Megan. And behind the camera is my lovely husband, Jason.
Key grip.
My key grip. So he's the one who helps make things more interesting. Or at least I think so. Alright, let's go for item number one. It's a honkin' heavy thing. So this is from Tarte Cosmetics. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Looks like it's in a pretty bottle.
It's a solution you use with
to remove your makeup.
Okay, nice.
It's very pretty packaging.
These big spongy things before. They're not spongy,
yeah.
But yeah. Yeah,
makeup erasers.
Yeah, so that would use it together.
You would use it, yeah, in conjunction with. Very pretty packaging. So use this mess-free, no-rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate a cotton pad and apply to skin on the go after a gym sesh or to remove that full face of makeup you work so hard on. This baby, I think so. This baby cleanses. Oh, this baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess of your sink. Sorry. Oh, okay. So it's got, like, you would put your cotton pad here, Jason, and then push down.
Don't squirt it on the... Not a lot comes out.
Just a little bit comes out.
I didn't see it. Oh, okay, a little bit, yeah.
Just rub it in.
Well, that'll last forever then.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Wow.
So that is item number one. Very nice. All right, item number two is also hefty. Oh, it's an LMS product. I do love getting an LMS product. Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Oh, that's handy.
Oh, wow. Resurfacing, eh? Are they abrasive?
And that is all it says.
It's like little sandpapers.
I mean, I don't even want to... I'm going to find out how much these are. I don't really want to waste them. Today I'm going makeup free except for a little lipstick because it has been very warm where I am lately. So that is what we get. It's filled up to about here, so it's not full. We got these little cotton pads.
Oh, you know what that's like? Is like an astringent.
Oh, it smells really good.
Oh, does it? Oh.
Fruity.
It does smell
like
really,
tropical?
really good. Oh, it's really nice. I like
yeah,
that.
So that's item number two. So we're getting into like we're going to have a very clean face.
Yeah.
There's some makeup in this box though. So the next item is, it's makeup. So it's from the brand Appeal. It is an ultra cream liquid lipstick in the shade Fancy. Let's try and get this packaging off without too much trouble. It always gives me trouble. I'm going to open this and
I think it has one of those sponge tip applicator.
Probably. I'm going to open this and then be right back with you. Success. I got into it. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
It's a mild scent. It's got a nice applicator. Let's see what it looks like on this. Oh, that's a nice color.
It goes on really nice.
So it's a very nice, like deep rose pink.
Yeah.
Would you say?
That's a good.
It's different than the color I'm wearing. Is it long lasting?
Does it dry up on there? Is that what?
Well, this is an ultra cream, so it probably won't dry up a lot. It doesn't seem to be drying up too bad. Usually it would say matte if it's going to do that. Yeah, so that's item number 3. Okay, item number 4. This is another box. Oh, it's a tray steak. I do like Tray-Steak products. It's a conceal, cover, and correct crayon for the face. And it is in the shade Porcelain. So I think at some point they asked me what kind of skin tone I have.
Oh,
and
okay.
depending on the season, I am either pale or very pale. So that's what it looks like. I like these products because they have a magnetic cap. So like especially with the lip colors, if it's in your purse, it doesn't tend to lose the lid.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
So it's like a lipstick?
But it's a concealer. Let's try it on Tony's little.
Oh, look at that. It's pretty close, but it's no like perfect match or anything.
So for concealer, you want it to be a little bit lighter than your skin.
It's a lot lighter than yours, actually.
It's very waxy.
Oh, it looks better the more you do that. Whatever you just did there.
Blend.
Yeah.
I have really bad under eye circles, and you can really tell when I'm not wearing any makeup how bad they are. So
Your eyes kind of look puffy today.
yeah, I
Not really bad.
had a rough day.
Sorry.
So that is item number 4. Very nice. Let's hope item number 5 is more makeup. Okay, item number 5 is our last eye. Yes, and it feels like an eyeshadow palette. Is it an eyeshadow palette? It is an eyeshadow palette, which if you've watched any of my videos, you know it's the best thing. My favorite thing.
Has given Megan an eyeshadow palette.
You're such a dork. So this is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I'm very excited to try it. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Oh, very nice. It's got a nice mirror, and it's got some very nice neutral shades. Very, very nice. Aren't they nice, Jason? So we've got some mattes and some shimmers. So we've got... You just said at the same time I did. But we've got Sheen, Flaxen, Bare, Gilded, Wicked, Lace, Dusk, Blush, and Fate. Should we swatch a couple of these, my love?
I think so.
All right, let's do the Flaxen, the Gilded, the Dusk, and the Fate. So we'll do 2 mattes and 2 shimmers.
Ignore the lipstick there.
Ignore the lipstick. Oh.
Oh wow, they all kind of go with the lipstick, eh? They give you a...
Yeah, that's a nice color palette, actually.
Yeah.
I like to wear a lot of browns, purples, and pink eyeshadows because I feel like they complement my green eyes. But these 2 are really, really pretty. Oh. And even that pink is showing up. It's swatched quite nicely.
Yeah.
And so did this brown color. So I'm very pleased with that. I'm excited to play with this. So that is our 5th and final item. Some pricing. Jason, would you like to tell us how much everything costs?
Yeah, just let me get my computer rocking here.
All right.
Do you want to pick a product, or do you want me to just go?
Just start from the top, and then I'll lift up as you say it.
I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads.
Yes. These are going to be a lot of money.
$59.
Okay, so that's more than twice what we paid for our box, so we're off to a good start.
Okay. Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette.
Yes.
$35.
What?
Yes.
That seems a bit pricey. Does
it? Well, they're really nice colors.
Like they're nice colors, but
really nice. They go on really nice.
Seems like a lot of monies.
Gotta pay for quality, baby.
That's true.
Tray-Steak Cover and Concealer Crayon. $24.
Wow.
I guess I can't really say much about speak to the quality of that item, but it seems like it's nice.
I like their products.
Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick.
Yes.
$21.
Holy moly! I would never spend $21 on lipstick. I don't even care. I would never do that. That's why I like
it's a nice lipstick.
these boxes, because I get the high quality
Yeah.
without having to pay insane prices.
But it's probably worth it.
Oh yes.
Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. $18.
So that was the least expensive thing.
Yeah, and it seems like if it's used the way that you showed in the video, that it's
Oh, it'll last forever. Like I have a micellar water I bought last summer, and I haven't even used half of it.
Yeah.
What is our grand total, my love?
Grand total is $157. I don't know if it's American, Canadian.
It's Camerican.
Oh, okay.
I just said Camerican. It's American.
It's American.
United States of America.
Okay.
How much?
Did I say $157?
$157. And I paid $25 American for the
Oh,
box.
that's good. Really
so
good.
we really got our value. Yeah. So what do you think my favorite is?
Yeah.
Eyeshadow palette.
Those pads, the scent on them.
I really like a lot of
really,
these
really,
things.
Really nice. Yeah.
Like, I like makeup heavy boxes, but I do appreciate the skincare.
When do you use these? Like when you're cleaning makeup off of yourself, I guess?
It probably says on this little pamphlet that they gave us where you read the pricing. They're powered by Elemis patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. So
makeup. Yeah.
No, I would imagine that this is after you've washed your face, and then this resurfaces it. Yeah, like a nice finish. So I do like the skincare products because I do like to take care of my skin, because I'm gonna be 40 this year, but I don't feel like I look like I'm gonna be 40 except for my gray hair, and I don't feel like I'm gonna be 40. I still feel like I'm 27. I still act like I'm 27.
I still act like I'm 13.
That's true, but you'd be hard pressed to find a gentleman that doesn't act like that a lot of the time.
Right.
So favorites, eyeshadow palettes, and then I can't decide. Like these, okay, I'm gonna use the Elemis.
They're really nice.
And then I really like this color. I think it's a good color for me, so
I think whoever designed this box really knew what they were doing because of the
for me.
Well, yeah, for you.
And then I'll just get these are tied. There's no least favorite. Yeah. Cool. That was the May BOXYCHARM. So next month, so this month, June, I'm gonna get the Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99, but you get a lot more products. And it's like a $300 value.
Every 3 months or something like that?
Yeah, it's every quarter. So that is exciting. So it's in the mail now. So hopefully I'll get it in the next week or two. Yes. Yep. Yes. And thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can do that here. And if you want to watch more videos, you can do that here and here. And I really appreciate your support. And I hope you all have a great day, a great week. And I'll see you soon. Bye.